way that I've built my list, or one of my lists, is to identify people that I already know in my industry, right? The people that are the crowdfund real estate websites, for example, or some of the leading sponsors in the industry. But how do I go beyond that and find people whose names I don't already know? What's a way of doing that, right?
Well, one good way is those people that you find authoritative and credible and interesting and a must-follow account. See who they're following. That would give you an indication of where they may be getting their information from. But a lot of it is trial and error, just going out and looking at these keywords and seeing whether you find that particular account of value. And then, of course, you'll go to websites and you'll see a Twitter account for a particular website for which you might have some sort of commercial interest in. But you need to check out their Twitter feed rather than just instantaneously following them, because sometimes their accounts are not very accurate or active. I'll see sometimes on a website for a significant entity, and I'll go and click on their Twitter account and find out they haven't tweeted in a couple of years.
Right, exactly.